Have you ever wondered why you're not seeing the gains you want despite your hard work in the gym? Are you possibly making critical nutrition mistakes that are holding you back? Today, we're going to uncover some common blunders that might be sabotaging your progress. It's shocking how many people unknowingly make nutrition errors that derail their fitness goals. Did you know that overfeeding can lead to more fat gain than muscle growth? It's a surprising fact that lifters often overlook. Eating more doesn't always mean gaining more muscle, but don't worry, we got you covered. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 4 nutrition mistakes and how you can fix them to unlock your true potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the most common nutrition pitfalls and actionable steps to correct them. Let's dive in. We are going to discuss the 4 biggest nutrition mistakes: overfeeding for muscle growth, overestimating the effectiveness of supplements, consuming extremely high protein diets, and misunderstanding meal frequency. Let's get started on fixing those mistakes. As working parents and busy professionals, finding time for your health goals can be challenging. That's why it's crucial to have an easy to follow nutrition plan that takes out the guesswork. Let's make your journey smoother and more effective. Mistake number 1: overfeeding for muscle growth. Many believe that eating a large caloric surplus will force muscle growth. However, research shows that overfeeding leads to disproportionately more fat gain than muscle gain. Studies indicate that while a slight caloric surplus is necessary for muscle growth, going overboard will mostly add fat. It's about finding the right balance. Here are some charts showing body composition changes with different caloric intakes. Notice how excess calories primarily increase fat mass. Remember, more isn't always better when it comes to calories. Focus on a moderate surplus for optimal gains. Mistake number 2 is overestimating the effectiveness of supplements. Supplements can be alluring with their bold claims, but only a few like creatine, caffeine, and protein powder have proven benefits. Many supplements don't live up to their promises. It's essential to invest in what works and not waste money on ineffective products. Here's a visual guide showing which supplements are worth it and which ones aren't. Focus on those with scientific backing. Stick to the basics. Creatine, caffeine, and protein powder are your best bets for supplementing your diet effectively. Mistake number 3 is extremely high protein diets for muscle building. There's a misconception that more protein equals more muscle. In reality, the optimal intake is around 0.7 to 1 grams per pound of body weight. Research indicates that consuming protein beyond this range doesn't provide additional benefits for muscle growth and may even be counterproductive. Check out these graphs illustrating how protein intake beyond optimal levels shows diminishing returns in muscle gain. Keep your protein intake within the recommended range for best results. More isn't always better here either. Mistake number 4 is misunderstanding meal frequency. The belief that meal frequency drastically impacts muscle growth is another common myth. Whether you eat 1 to 2 or 3 to 6 meals per day doesn't make a significant difference. What's more important is finding a meal pattern that helps you stick to your diet consistently. Choose a meal frequency that fits your lifestyle and helps you maintain your diet without stress. Let's recap. Avoid overfeeding for muscle growth. Don't overestimate supplement effectiveness. Stick to optimal protein intake and find a meal frequency that works for you. Remember those surprising facts about overfeeding leading to fat gain and the optimal range for protein intake? Keep these insights in mind as you plan your nutrition strategy. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you made any of these mistakes? How did you overcome them? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. For personalized nutrition programs tailored to your needs, visit nutrition.mybetterbalance.com. Let's achieve those gains together. Thank you for watching.